In this video, we'll be talking why you should not be wearing a coral, munga. There are various reasons why I say don't wear munga. Because generally I have found that astrologers recommend you to wear a coral if there is some issue with your Mars in the chart. That the marriage is not happening, there's a lot of friction happening, there's a lot of anger inside you. In all these kind of cases where the Mars is become detrimental or injurious to your physical and mental health, if you wear a coral or the munga, then it is going to boost the negativity of Mars and you will have more problem. If you are not getting married, the delay will increase. You are getting angry, anger will increase. Secondly, the coral which is sold in the market, 99% coral are fake, made in plastic. It is very difficult to make out a coral stone, a real coral. I would not say stone because it's not a stone actually, though we call it coral stone. It is not a stone. You see, it's a ratna, navaratna, like the pearl is not a stone. So we don't say gemstone, we say ratna in Vedic astrology. Because the pearl and the coral are coming from the sea. So they are not stone. So this coral which you get in the market with the so-called certificates, they are all fake certificates. Online you see coral is costly. Coral is costly. 1 carat may cost you 5,000, 6,000, 8,000. And the pandits and astrologers, they ask you to wear a 5 carat, 6 carat, 8 carat coral. So this question becomes, say, first of all, affordability. Second is identifying a coral properly, because the certificate itself is fake. The coral is fake, certificate also fake. To get a proper, authenticated, lab tested, that lab testing also has to be from the proper laboratory, which is verifiable online. Then it is worth, otherwise no. So as I told you, in the majority of the cases, when the astrologers recommend you gemstone, coral. As I explained to you, in the majority of the cases when the astrologers recommend you coral for the Mars, it actually works in a negative way because it boosts the negativity of Mars. You have seen that anytime you have any kind of problem, the astrologers will say that no, this Brihaspati is not good, wear Pukhraj, your Shani is not good, wear a Neelam. I totally oppose this kind of recommendation. I say if the Saturn is negative, the Jupiter is negative, or the Mars is negative in the chart, don't wear gemstone, wear Rudraksh, which will convert the negativity to positivity. Because whenever you wear a gemstone, it boosts that planetary energy. If the planetary energy already negative, obviously it's going to increase the negativity. And this I am not telling you from theory. Practically with thousands of people I have worked and I have seen this happening to people. People buy these kind of stones and they suffer. They waste their money, then they lose faith in astrology itself. So it's better to avoid wearing a coral. Instead you can wear a 6-mukhi Rudraksh which works beautifully. 6-mukhi Rudraksh is not very costly also. It represents the Mars, Kartikeya, and it pacifies. It not only converts the negativity of the Mars to positivity, it also pacifies the Mars if it is very exalted and it is damaging your psyche. So be careful and avoid using coral. Finally, I would like to say that this coral thing which we get from the sea, we are damaging the ecosystem in the sea. That is why in US it is banned. We are not supposed to use the coral. They don't get it from the sea. Internationally also there is a lot of movement going on to ban these things. Use of coral. Coral can be used only for medical purpose. Like in Ayurveda, they make it Pravala Pishti, they call it. Pravala Pishti, when medically it is made in Ayurveda way, then it gives you Shakti, that gives you energy, it enhances the bone power and the quality of semen inside you as a man. So these are the usage of coral in medical field. But wearing edges in the ring is not advisable. This is my personal feeling and opinion. If you want to understand and agree with me, fine. Otherwise, you can decide what is good for you. In the next video, we'll talk something else interesting as recommended, asked by our subscribers. So So if you are one of the subscribers, and if you are not, do subscribe and put your questions down so that I can make a video and upload next time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaskar, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.